Essequibo keeps on flowing, merry in its tide. Footsteps from the sugar fields, prayers we could not hide. Across the coast and hinterland, a longing learned to sing. From Kaiter's roar of thunder to hush of forest winds, 6 peoples at one table, the stories braided tight. African and Indian roots, indigenous morning light, European winds and Chinese roads, Portuguese lantern flame. Through chains and dust and distance, you kept our hidden name. When storms went over rooftops and floods rose to our knees, your spirit lit a candle where no one else could see. In every secret midnight, you held the island line, your hand upon our country, a mercy by design. Jesus, you are the light of Guyana, the hope for every tribe and tongue, the peace for every generation. Jesus, you are the light of Guyana, one people in your loving Son, one chorus in your saving nation. Now oil beneath the waters, whispers blessed and warm, promise on the ledger lines, temptations newly born, some leaving for another shore, a passport in their hand, some searching for a truer word to build a faithful land. Young hearts cry for justice, for honor, truth, and home, for work that holds a future, and roots that will not roam. In streets of Georgetown evening, in villages by day, you are the firm foundation, the rock that will not sway. Jesus, you are the light of Guyana, the hope for every tribe and tongue, the peace for every generation. Jesus, you are the light of Guyana, one people in your loving Son, one chorus in your saving nation. Revival in the rain, now let every dry heart grow. Blessing from the highlands to the markets down below. Jesus, all we hope, we speak life over Guyana. Peace day, any name, every village, every town, we lift you high. Let Rupununi grasses rise with freedom's breeze. Let the mirror of morning's wake to mercy's ease. Make new our laws and ledgers, make bright our daily bread, right kindness in our budgets and wisdom in our heads. heart upon your shore.